Welcome to part one of a two-part video. We're going to be using basic math, formatting, and series extension in a project. We'll be learning the concept of tables, inserting rows, and merge and center. Let's begin. We're going to use Excel like many people use Excel, and that's to document and keep track of money. So we're going to start a company, my coffee shop, and like before, we're going to deal with time. So here is an example of how time would be used. We're going to extend this series, and we're going to format so that it is in a form that's easier for me to understand. And I'm glad we did, because it doesn't really make sense that we would open a coffee shop until 10 at night. Coffee's kind of a morning drink, maybe an afternoon drink. So we'll go from 5 in the morning till 7 p.m. Now we're I just realized this would be a great place to introduce the concept of inserting a row, because I want some titles. I'm going to click on this row, right click, insert. Alright, the first title I'm going to put is Time Coffee. We're going to say the amount that was sold, and here's going to be the money that we made. Coffee is going to be $3.50. Taking kind of what they charge at Starbucks, drag that on down. Now we want to make this look like money, so we're going to go to Format Cells, hit Currency like last time, and it shows up like money. Now I have some data here for my coffee shop, so we'll be able to use this, put this in here, and see how successful we were. Alright, just quickly looking at this, we can see that I didn't sell as much at 5 a.m. as I thought I was going to, and noon was actually a pretty good time. People must have been getting off of work. To find out how much money we made, we're going to want to create a formula. So I'm going to create a formula that takes this cell, B3, multiplies it by C3, and gives us the product of those numbers. So I'm going to hit the equal sign to start a function like we always do, and I'll click here, give the multiplication symbol, that little star, and I'll type in C3. Hit enter. You can see $42 is how much we made. I'm going to drag this down, and we can see for each cell. This is really cool. I can see at 1 o'clock I made $336. Now what if I want to find the grand total? Well, that should be easy from what we learned before. Click on this cell underneath, and I'm going to hit the auto sum. $3,000 for the day, not bad. The amount of coffee sold, that's going to be an important factor too. So I'm going to auto sum that. 900 exactly. Cool coincidence. Now that means that for the next day I probably have to order 900 more cups so that I have enough. So it's important to know the amount that you made, but also the amount that you sold. Alright, we're going to do a little bit more with this in part two, but right now that's a pretty clear overview, I think, of how a company might use Excel. Thank you for watching.